the things that people want to do before they die. They usually contain items like skydiving adventures, exotic trips, or even mountain climbing. But as News 15's Greg Pullen reports, one Brevard County man wanted to mark his upcoming 100th birthday with a unique view of the Space Coast.
Good to meet you, Harry. Wonderful to meet you.
On a cool, crisp day at the Merritt Island Airport, 99-year-old Harry Sakal gets ready to check one off his bucket list. Harry turns 100 on November 19th. The near centenarian's wish? A ride in a helicopter.
It's just so cool to be in the right place at the right time to be able to do this for a guy like Harry.
Mike Roach is Harry's barber. They got to talking not too long ago, and he mentioned he wanted to fly as part of his bucket list.
I do a guy who flies helicopters, maybe.
That guy is David Watson, co-owner of Beachside Helicopters. And within a matter of months, here we were. You didn't know you were going to fly, did you?
Well, I had an idea.
So Harry, his daughter, and Barbara hopped on board, and away they went. Here's what it looked like during the 30-minute flight as Harry, guided by his instructor, took to the skies.